My name is Chris Brown. We want to be the favorite comprehensive tree service in the local area based upon reliability, professionalism, and quality. We have a lot of equipment, a lot of expensive equipment, a lot of complicated equipment, and the equipment is really put through the ringer in this industry. Equipment maintenance is super important.
My name is Zach Connell, and I am the General Manager for Mazda Tree Service of North Charlotte. With maintenance, we had a paper form to request for a repair. It was hardly ever being utilized.
The old process before was you found something wrong and it basically just didn't work that day.
We don't have to wonder about it anymore. We know where we are, we know where the piece of equipment is, we know what's been ordered, and we know that the mechanic is on top of what he's supposed to be doing. The old process for inspections was kind of like the Stone Ages.
We would all have to write down in paper, so we just carried a big old book around in the trucks. Sometimes people wouldn't fill them out.
There was no feedback loop for us to know whether the maintenance was actually done. We just had to hope that it was being done. The whip-around software eliminates virtually all of that to just a few minutes on each person's cell phone.
It starts off with the crew will report that there is an issue. Let's say it's a damaged tail light on a truck. We're able to know about a damaged piece of equipment within minutes of the damage happening. Ordering pieces and parts right now, it takes weeks to get things in. So the quicker that I can order it, then I might actually get a shipment in.
Getting out on the job site, we use it for our emergency response plan, making sure that we know what obstacles are around the job site. We establish a plan through Whip Around.
Does Whip Around help us stay compliant? The answer is absolutely. It was the solution I was looking for to know that we're compliant with all government regulations. We're trying to develop our company in such a way that our processes today, at the size we are, will work when we're 3 or 4 or 5 times bigger. OSHA has identified tree care as being the most dangerous profession in the U.S. We genuinely care about the welfare of our employees. The software is helping us to ensure that our employees are staying safe. That is a cost that I cannot put a number on.